This is the BULLSEYE Pro Air Compressor, and we've had this for about a year now, and it's held up really well. So let me tell you a bit about it. Number one, it comes in this nice carry case. So this is the compressor itself, and then you get several things with it. This is the battery pack. You charge this. You can use it wirelessly, or you can have it tethered with this in case you have it. If it's not charged and you're stranded somewhere, you can use this and plug it into your lighter. Adapter in your car and plug this in here and use it that way. This is charged, so I will be using it wirelessly. And it also comes with a USB-C cord. That's what you use in here to charge. You plug this in to charge it. And then it also comes with different attachments so that you can pump different things like a bicycle tire, a ball, things of that nature. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So let me put the battery pack on. So all you do is just slide it in. It's kind of like a drill battery pack. So you just plug it in, snap it in like that. You also have a little storage area here where you can put your accessories. It's really nice. So this is the display set area. So just hold the button down, the power button, and then the LED lights come on. So right now it's set at 35 psi. On the top, you have a battery display, so it's right now it's 100% charged. So all you do right now, right here, is this is M for mode. So right now it's at PSI. Press that for BAR. Press that for KPA. Press that for kilograms per centimeter squared, and then back to PSI. To change the set pressure, you use the up and down button. So that goes to 35.5, 36.5. So I'm just going to keep it at 35 right now. And I'm going to demonstrate putting air on a tire because we have a tire that's kind of on the low end. The nice thing about this compressor is very powerful. So we've used it for larger vehicles, larger trucks. It's not just for smaller vehicles. It is very powerful. I put it on here and I clip this in. Right now it's at 31.5. So it's a little low. So I'm gonna pull this trigger right here. There's a trigger, and you also see this light. And when we mention this light, this is really nice because if it's dark and you're if it's dark at night, you can actually have this, it'll light up the area where you're working so you don't have to struggle to see what you're doing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pull this trigger. And it's reached the target pressure at 35.0 psi. So it automatically shuts off, which is a really nice feature. So I'm going to undo that and just put the cap back on, and it's simple as that. So like I said, we've been using this for about a year now. We love it. It's very convenient, very easy to use. So if you're looking for a very powerful and reliable tire compressor, air compressor, definitely recommend you looking into this one.